front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flarto Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!